got Coretta. My perks set help feel better. Set the trend, I'm a trendsetter. I'm not arrested, getting cheddar. Out of my wrist, timeless.
So welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Scion, headed to Charlie's shop. He has yet to even see the Scion, or I think he doesn't know that I got rid of the Ranger yet. If most of you are watching the channel, I have been enjoying the scooter side of things and enjoying that side of the hobby. I'm still building on the TTRS. I ordered something, I'm waiting for it to come in. And the wing has been, it's made out of fiberglass and everything, and the mounts that mount to the trunk are pretty sturdy, but the blade itself, once I get up to about 70, 75, every time I look in the rearview mirror, I just see that thing just kind of, it just looks like it's got too much play in it. And it's just nerve-wracking. It feels like it's gonna fly off or something, and I just don't want that to happen. So I've just not been like driving it too much. I've just kind of been chilling on it and debating if I want to try to either reinforce it, try to take it to the body shop, get it reinforced, look at another option for a wing, go with the carbon fiber option. But then I'd be highly upset if I spend over $1,000 on the carbon fiber option and it's still fucking shaking or something. That's gonna piss me off. Or I can put the stock wing back on, or I could also get like a duckbill style wing, like a small just lip style wing. So I've been debating on that, and it might be getting a new color here pretty soon. This box is the tow hitch, so I'm adding a tow hitch. I can mount the scooter in here without having to fold it down or do all that extra stuff, and easily tie it down and travel with it, you know, because I've been wanting to go on a lot of group rides and stuff, and sometimes we went on one in Dallas. We went on that PV community ride in the last video, and it was a hassle taking all my detailing equipment out of here, putting it all back in, when I could literally just put this tow hitch on the back and just tow the damn thing and get it over there. I ain't even got to eat today, but I had stopped and got some Panda, and they got this spicy orange chicken. I'm finna do a quick review, see if this busting real quick. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Pepper hot as hell. What the? Look, check out the ride. I got the windows tinted. I got the visors. I got the Tesla wheels on it. Yeah. Go ahead and pop the back.
Are those original wheels or they're like aftermarket?
No, those are original Tesla wheels, and then I got the Tesla caps and built them.
What's up, man?
I built this back here.
That shit's pretty dope, bro.
Mm-hmm.
They don't take a whole lot of space, and you got everything right there.
Yep. Water tank in the back. Everything.
Oh, you got the water back there too?
Yeah.
Sure.
Man, it's better, right?
Oh, yeah.
Everything's in here. I don't need to really be going or anything. And then I mounted these. I can just pull off everything. The generator stays right there. It doesn't need to come off. Shit, my pressure washer reel's over there. Just pull it off, rotate it back in.
And you got the new hose, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm. It doesn't leak or nothing. None. It's good.
Yeah, because the other one you're having a lot of issues with the leaks, right?
Yep.
I don't got my water tank yet.
Oh, okay.
But I got like my pressure washer. Everything is in there.
What's your detailing shit? Shout it out.
Jay's Mobile Detailing.
Jay's Mobile Detailing. So he's a
LTX.Josh.
So he's a detailer too, man. He likes my setup and everything. So that's pretty cool, man. Meet another detailer.
And then you built the frame yourself?
Yep, build it on myself. I was actually talking about it on YouTube. I was like, man, if anybody needs the frames built, I'll be like willing to build them for people and shit, and just give me your specs, how you want it to look. And I can build it for you, everything. Even for the truck, if you need one for that truck too, you can build one. That's pretty easy. It uses the stock bolt mounts. Is this an average size of them?
No, that's smaller, bro.
Smaller, right?
But it's good because it keeps you from not overloading it.
Okay.
So you have to get like a smaller ball. But I mean, for your scooter, you can pull something light. You can even pull a jet ski.
All right, we got this thing with oil change. We got a trailer hitch on the back now. Or a tow hitch on the back. So we can finally tow some things with it. I just got to get an adapter because I think it's a little bit smaller than the average 2-inch. It's 1 1/4. But we got an oil change on it. And I do have the lowering springs for this thing. So probably get this thing dropped down. I'm going to add a little front lip. But it's coming together. The little detail workmobile is coming together. All right, we out here with the squad. We got Andy, Alex. We got the Klima, Wolf King GT Pro. You know, with the Wolf King GTR. Got a little group ride meet. Appreciate them coming out. This is your first time out with us, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. And besides Community Day. But yeah, this is be dope, man. So he's finally, Julian wasn't able to make it, so I'm gonna try to get some footage with the Insta360, some street footage until we get up to the trails. All right, so for some context, guys, I was coming up on a turn up here and I was getting ready to turn left, and I think Andy didn't, I don't know what he wasn't doing, but he wasn't paying attention, and boom, runs right into me as I was getting ready to turn left. If you guys see that Ford truck that was passing, I was trying to turn in right as he was going, and that's exactly why I was slowing down right there, because that street is a super busy street. And I wanted to pretty much just make that left and get into that parking lot right there to our left. And I had told them at the light that's where we were going. So that's why Alex was all the way behind and he didn't get into the accident. But I think maybe Andy zoned out and he just didn't see me slowing down. I don't know what happened, but luckily didn't get any damage. And we'll talk about it later in the video. We were getting ready to turn into another trail, and maybe Andy zoned out. I'm not sure exactly what happened, and I was getting ready to turn left, and he ran into my left side, which could have been bad. It could have been worse than what it really was, but luckily it was like a kind of a slow speed, hit, and then I dropped. Somehow the GTR came out unscathed. Nothing happened to it. It runs perfect. Just drove it all the way over here. Andy's got some scrapes and stuff on it, and walked out of there with just a bruise on my hip and a little scrape on my hand, because at the time I didn't have my gloves on. I had just bought brand new knee pads and elbow pads that day too, and I was wearing them, so those probably helped. Probably like my second time, because when I had my V-set, I was on a Scion ride and someone rear-ended me, not paying attention at that ride. But I came out of that one, and that's funny because on that ride I got hit in the other side of the hip, and I had a bruise on that side, and now I got a bruise on the other side. But it may be a little loud under here because I'm under a bridge right now, trying to talk to you guys. But I just wanted to come out for a ride, man. I had a long day today, and yeah, just tell you guys what happened in that video. But later on, we're gonna head downtown with the TTRS. Gonna just hit some roads with the TTRS, and then get some sound clips of it, and possibly try to get some footage with that car, because it's been raining like non-stop all month, so I haven't been able to drive it as much. But yeah, I'm out here just kind of enjoying myself.